Hey there everyone, Laser Dave here again from Trotec Laser. I have another laser hack to show you. This laser hack will use kinetic sand to produce a consistent product holder for your laser system. Let's take a look. Kinetic sand may be designed for children, but it has practical uses when used with your laser system. My favorite brand is Mad Matter because of how tightly it packs. Scan this QR code to order on Amazon. For the kinetic sand to work, a pan or tray is needed. I use a small baking sheet. Pour the kinetic sand into the pan and then pack it tightly. I use a laser cut acrylic sheet to get the sand packed perfectly smooth. Once it is flattened out, take the object that needs to be engraved and press it firmly into the sand. Use a level to ensure that it's flat. Now place the sheet into the laser, focus, and position the graphic using the overhead camera or red pointer, then engrave. The kinetic sand produces a perfect mold for the part, so that another can be put into the same place and re-engraved as needed. This is an outstanding laser hack for small volume products or prototyping. And kinetic sand will not dry out, and it does not leave any residue on the product or material like clay. When finished, it can be reflattened and stored in the pan until needed. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified for future laser hacks. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.